Hi, everybody. Wynn Brown here with Haywood Healthcare's COVID-19 update for the week ending, or the Friday ending, July 24th. I hope you all have a great day. We have an awesome weekend ahead of us, and I hope everybody gets outside so that you can enjoy the summer season. So let me just get us right into our numbers so everybody knows where we are. We're doing exceptionally well, and I just thank the community and our care teams for all the work that they're doing to keep us healthy and well in North Central Mass and the Quabbin region. To date, we have tested 11,455 individuals with 10,827 negative results, 520 positive, 92 indeterminate, for a 7-day rolling average of 0.06 positive rate. That is amazing. And the state rate at 1.8%. So we continue to outperform the state with the health of our population. So thank you for all that. Our cumulative rate is 4.5% versus the state at 8.2%. So congrats to all. The other thing this week, for the past 5 days, we have not had a COVID positive patient or a patient under investigation at the hospital, which I think speaks volumes to the great work we're all doing. And also it just is so much easier on our staff who don't have to don and doff PPE all the time. And it's really an exhausting work when we have to do that. And so the staff, shout out to the community. Thank you for all you're continuing to do. Statewide, just some statistics. There have tested about 1.4 million people with that overall cumulative rate of 8.2%. Worcester County, just shy of 13,000 cases with 794 deaths. Franklin County, 391 cases, 57 deaths. So very stable in the disease load in our region. So let's just keep that up, because if you keep looking to the southern tier states, there's just a lot of viral load down there and a lot of people sick, and we need to do our work, and we're doing it. So thank you, everybody. For our staff, we have begun offering free antibody testing for any employee who would like that. You just have to call extension 6545 or email employee health. We're doing those tests Tuesdays and Thursdays for staff between 1 and 4 p.m. There's more information on our intranet as well for you to take a look at that if that's something you want to do. We also still have our testing tent, which is now a trailer next to the annex building to provide better shelter for our staff who are doing the drive-through testing. And we still do testing out at Tully Family Medicine as well. And you can call for an appointment. I think the number is 8168, I think 630-6186. And you can I'll make sure that's in the email as well. So if you want to get an appointment for drive-through testing. Also, our Board of Trustees for Haywood Healthcare has been wanting to do something to support us, and I've been working with the President's Advisory Council to see what staff would like to do to be thanked by the trustees, and they have decided to provide logo apparel for all of us in the health system, and you should have gotten an email today with an order form. Please get that in by Friday, August 7th. We have vests, we have jackets, and we have backpacks, and everybody gets something, medical staff and staff across the health system. So please do that, and do that quickly so we can get that in. There will also be a video that shows how things fit, because of course with COVID-19 we just can't have a big dressing room with everybody. So you'll get a chance to see what the apparel looks like. It's very nice, and we can all be Haywood strong as we wear our Haywood apparel. So thank you also to our trustees who have just been incredibly supportive of all of us in their guidance and governance during this pandemic. Also, if you ordered Athol or Haywood Strong apparel and you have not gotten your shipment yet, please contact Community Relations. And a thanks to Brian LaRoche, Dennis Whitcomb, and Brianna Newman for providing these products to us. We've raised over $30,000 through the sale of those Haywood Strong apparel. Saw a bunch of staff wearing it yesterday, and it always makes me smile, and I feel really good about the great work that we're doing. Also available for staff, Wishroot, which is an online app, is providing a 30-day self-care program free for all frontline workers. And there is a link on this email for you to take a look at that and see if that's something you want to do. But it's daily text-based conversations with real people supporting you and motivating you to prioritize safe care. And again, we want to make sure that everybody throughout this pandemic is getting the support they need. So this is just another avenue to give that a try and see if that works for you. Some special announcements. As you know, the Watkins Faust golf tournament is in a different format this year. You still get to play, but everybody's not playing at the same time. We've raised so far $85,000 for our COVID relief fund. Our newest sponsors, Eagle sponsors, Health Alliance, Alliance Health at Baldwinville, Hometown Bank, our Eagle sponsors, dinner sponsor, the Winchendon School and Covaris, tea sponsors, Dr. Donald Miller in honor and memory of his wife Peg, Biomedical Polymers, Boucher Funeral Home, Camac Retirement Group, Molly Faust, Huda Oil and Propane, the Mac Family Funeral Home, Mac Prototype, the Morin Family, Winchendon Health Foundation, the Wound Center and Hyperbaric Medicine at Haywood Hospital, and we have an ad sponsor, Anthony's Liquor Mart. And remember, our super awesome Yeti raffle that we do for the past few years is live. You don't have to play in the tournament to get a chance at that. Teresa Thompson puts it together, and it really is fantastic. And who doesn't want an awesome Yeti cooler filled with awesome prizes? And so you can click on a link here to order those tickets as well. The Ride for Your Life event sponsorship opportunities close today, and there's a link here to learn more about that event for a great cause. Also, want to thank the ED staff who, there's pictures with this as well, put together a care package for one of our physician assistants who's been deployed in Iraq, and we want to wish him and his family the very best, and we've got pictures of that for you to take a look at, and just love our ER teams and how they support one another. And also the community who has supported the Ale House gift card. We got to feed our food service staff this past week, and they've been fantastic during the pandemic, and for several months we fed all staff for free, and they stepped up and did a fantastic job. So thank you to the donors who did that, and thanks for also supporting our food service staff, who are often unsung heroes in the work we do. And two things in closing. One, Dr. Jim Faust and Mary Lou Faust, who are some of our most ardent supporters and cheerleaders and fundraisers and community leaders. It's their 60th wedding anniversary this weekend, so happy anniversary to you. And I think it was Dr. Faust's birthday as well, just this past week. So a shout out publicly to you, and thank you for all you do. And we have a patient in-house who's allowed us to use her name, and she's been a patient with us before. Rita is 102 today, and so great longevity there. Must have something to do with a lot of good habits and great health care from her local community. Thank you for everything you do as we continue our journey to be one of the best community-owned health systems in America. Have a great weekend.